What's up guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we're going to be doing a simple video on removing your front door panels on your Acura Integra. It's something you might need to do for various projects like replacing speakers, broken door switches. Some of the Acura accessories require you to remove the door panels, so we figured we'd put a video together just showing you how to do that. It's a pretty simple process. You're just gonna need some basic tools like a screwdriver and some panel tools. We'll put links to all our tools that we use for this in the description below. So if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let us know if you have a question about getting the door panels off or any of the other things we're doing with our Integra or any of our other vehicles. Thanks for watching, enjoy. To get the door panel off, the first thing you need to do is take this piece off here, and I'm gonna use this, I don't know if this panel tool is thin enough. You have to get up under this edge right here. So I'm trying to find my thinnest panel tool to be able to, ooh, don't want to scratch this. There we go, look at that. Just got under there a little bit. And then you're gonna, there's a clip right in the front here. I think I popped one out. There we go. So just really gently so you don't crack any of that. You're gonna like work up under there, and then once you're got one out, you can kind of work along the side either with your finger or with your tool. And there's clips kind of along here. In the instructions, they tell you to mask this off so you don't scrape it up. That's probably a good idea. And then once you get that out, you have these two wiring harnesses to get out. This big gray one, you just push this clip down. This white one, you push the clip in. Now you push the clip down and it slides right out. Okay, so now we got this out. We're gonna go set that aside. Now we got to take the screw out of the door right here. We have our switch panel out and the screw, and now what you're trying to do is pry up this panel. There's 10 clips around here. We're gonna start at the bottom and work our way up. We're being really careful up here, especially because of our tent up there. I'm gonna get a couple panel tools and try to get this started where I can get my hand in there to pop the first clip out. There's one clip. Once you get one, it's usually easier to get your hand in there. It's kind of scary. Sometimes these fall out and you can put them right back in once you get the panel off. Sometimes they break and you gotta get some more. But if you're just missing one or two, it's probably okay. Like I said, we're gonna be super careful when we get up here. I think there's still one in the middle here. There we go. Okay. So now we have a few plugs. We've got our speaker plug here. We've got our memory seat plug. Okay, that makes it much easier. And now this is the white LED ambient lighting. We're gonna unplug that. Probably help to have a couple extra hands with this, but this wire is held on by a clip. You can squeeze that clip. It should come right out like that. Okay, there you have it. The door panel's off. So if you were gonna do some speaker work, you got a speaker there, speaker here, any kind of access to anything you might need. If you're gonna swap out your LEDs, they're here in the door and also here in the door. And now we're gonna put the door panel back on, and we're just gonna reverse what we had done before. We'll start by plugging the this guy in. These are for the door handles, so you just got to make sure they're routed up in here. Get our speaker. Got our memory seat plug here. Doing this thing. There we go. LED, we got to put the little clip in and then plug the LED back in. And that looks like everything. I replaced that green clip that had popped off. So I'm gonna start by lining this up on the top. Just make sure I got my wires in there. Okay, good. I'm just gonna go around. And sometimes there's ones in the middle here that see, there's one. You're gonna make sure all those are clipped in, or you might get some funky bulges or vibrating. Okay, I think we're good. We'll put our screw back in here. And get our switch panel plugged back in. 1, 2. And now you want to kind of put this back in, starting in the bottom, just kind of the reverse of what you did. There we go. I got the bottom one lined up, got that one in. And really make sure they're all in there good. All back together. Yay! Now we're going to do the passenger side. This panel tool was the one that ended up working really good on this because it's really thin and it kind of steps up. So we can just kind of work that in until, look, I got a little purchase. I'm gonna kind of twist it a little, and if that isn't working, I'm gonna get the slightly larger tool under there. Just trying to get the first pop here. There we go. Now, just go down with our hands, slowly pry them up. Again, the instructions say to put masking tape on there so you don't jack up your leather. If I do jack up my leather, I'm going to be sad. All right, on this side, there's only one plug, so you don't have the rear view mirror. And now we're going to take the screw out. There is actually a little slight gap right here. I'm just going to try and get my hands under there and pop the first clip. There we go. Now we can just move down the line. Real gently. Just want everybody to know too, we warmed up the garage really good in the interior of the car before we did this because we didn't want anything to break. And if your vehicle's very cold, you could crack something. All right. Now on this side, we just have a couple plugs. We've got our speaker and our LED. And can you hold that for me? And like on the other side, I'm gonna take my needle nose in here, squeeze this clip. I might have to rotate it if I'm not hitting it. There we go. That's how you remove the passenger door panel. Now we're gonna put the door panel back on. We're gonna plug each of our plugs in. We've got our LED up here and the little clip. Got our speaker down here. This is for our switch panel on the door. Need to make sure that comes through. We also have our projector wire. Okay. Make sure that's there. Get this lined up. Avoid hinting the tent. We're going to try to get a couple of the top ones in and work our way down. Logo on the floor. All right, just like last time on the driver's side, you got to kind of go around. Make sure you get all of these. Otherwise, your door will be a little bulgy. You know what I'm saying? All right, I think we're good. Put our screw back in the door. We'll put our switch panel plug back in. Get our bottom clip lined up here. Okay, I'm just gonna push it down. These first couple in and then go up. All right, back together. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.